Hello, fellas. As we all are knowing, there has been a huge loss to all Indian telecom companies after the arrival of Jio. Many of the companies left the field, but some companies are fighting hard for their survival. So, in order to survive, Vodafone and Idea has united with each other, forming the company V. With the integration of two big companies, the hopes for their service standards have been increased. And now recently, they have come with something big, which will surely change the network standards in India. Wanna know what it is? So stay tuned up to the end. As well as guys, please subscribe to our channel for latest technology news and concepts. After announcing the consolidation of networks, we, that is Vodafone and Idea, has announced the launch of new technology in the country, the GigaNet network. This technology will allow users to get good 4G speed. The new technology comes soon after the operator launches new brand identity to arrest the customer's loss. As well as bringing this new 4G will be a big step towards making Indian network standards ready for 5G. So basically, what is GigaNet? The Global Internet Governance Academic Network, GigaNet, is an international association of academic researchers. These members include researchers from wide range of disciplines and locations who are contributing to research, teaching and engagement in local, regional and international debates on internet governance. So basically, it is a computer company that works in the field of wireless communication. So what we GigaNet will do in India? The GigaNet network technology can offer a huge capacity and a large spectrum portfolio that can deliver superior network as it is built on a 5G architecture. GigaNet offers faster downloads and uploads, low latency and real-time connectivity. And we have deployed technology whereby parts of NW have the ability to self-optimize and meet demand wherever necessary, said by Vishant Vora, Chief Technology Officer of Vodafone India. Basically, the new technology allows the company to offer a faster and stronger network to its customers. In addition, the telecom operator announced that it will invest in the 4G network as it is serving more than 1 billion customers. So right now it looks good on paper, but how it will work on the real-time scenario we will surely see. So why VI launches it? It is worth mentioning that the telecom operator reported one of the biggest losses in 2020 due to adjusted gross revenue issue. Vodafone Idea had reported a loss of 25 crore 467 crores during the same quarter. Also, the company has lost 11.3 million customers, which means that the video is providing its services to 279.8 million customers in the country. The adjusted gross revenue issue has actually affected the financial situation of Airtel and Vodafone India, as both have to pay a huge amount of money to government in the last 10 years, and that's why latter has stopped investing money in its network. However, the new technology announcement comes 3 years after the merger and is trying its best to retain the existing customers, so we can expect some improvement from the network side.